Today, we're diving into one of the most famous and fascinating concepts in astrophysics and futurism, the Kardashev Scale, a way of measuring a civilization's technological advancement based on how much energy it can harness and control. We'll explore what the Kardashev Scale is, why it matters, and then break down Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3 civilizations, what they would look like, how they might function, and how close humanity is to becoming one. So buckle up. Let's travel millions of years into the future. Starting right now. What is the Kardashev Scale? The Kardashev Scale was introduced in 1964 by Soviet astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev. He was working on the search for extraterrestrial civilizations, and he proposed something groundbreaking. Instead of looking for aliens by assuming what they might look like, we should look for their energy. According to Kardashev, a civilization's technological level can be measured by how much energy it can access and use. He divided civilizations into three major categories. Type 1, a civilization that can use all the energy available on its home planet. Type 2, a civilization that can capture the total energy output of its star. Type 3, a civilization that can harness the energy of its entire galaxy. This scale wasn't just meant to describe aliens, it was also a way to understand where we, humans, stand, and where we might go. And the big plot twist? Humanity isn't even on Type 1 yet. According to physicist Michio Kaku, we're around Type 0.72, using only a fraction of the energy our planet offers. So let's examine each civilization type, what they are, how they work, and what they mean for life as we know it. Type 1 civilization. A Type 1 civilization is also known as a planetary civilization. It harnesses all the energy available on its home planet, from its atmosphere, oceans, ground, and biological systems. To put that into perspective, Earth receives about 174,000 terawatts of solar energy from the sun. Humanity currently uses less than 1% of that. So what does a Type 1 civilization look like? Complete control of planetary energy. A Type 1 species can utilize all sunlight hitting the planet, all wind energy, all ocean currents and tides, geothermal energy from beneath the crust, chemical and biological energy sources. This doesn't mean sucking the planet dry. It usually implies near-perfect efficiency and the ability to generate, store, and distribute renewable power on a planetary scale. Imagine weather predictions so advanced that storms can be redirected. Imagine controlled fusion reactors producing endless clean energy. Imagine a planet where energy shortages simply do not exist. Planet-wide infrastructure. With Type 1 status, humanity would likely have a global unified power grid, high-speed transportation that circles the planet in hours, megacities powered by clean energy, massive orbital infrastructure, solar satellites, energy collectors, and global communication constellations. This wouldn't necessarily mean one world government, but it would mean planetary cooperation on a scale we've never seen. Mastery of natural forces. A Type 1 civilization might control weather patterns to prevent disasters, prevent or mitigate volcanic eruptions, manage tectonic stresses to reduce earthquakes, engineer climate systems to maintain balance. This is often described as becoming custodians of the planet. Cultural evolution. A true Type 1 civilization would likely have a globalized culture, universal access to education and information, a unified scientific community, less conflict over resources, since energy is abundant. This is the level where humanity finally stabilizes and becomes sustainable. How close are we? Right now, We are climbing toward Type 1, but slowly. Energy usage is increasing, but so are global challenges. Experts estimate it could take 100 to 200 years to reach Type 1, assuming technological growth continues and we avoid major setbacks. Once we reach Type 1, the door opens to something even greater: Type 2 civilization. A Type 2 civilization is called a stellar civilization. This is where things get mind-blowing. A Type 2 society can harness the entire output of its star. To put this into perspective, our sun releases more energy every second than all of humanity has used in its entire history. Capturing even a fraction of that would make a civilization effectively immortal, able to expand, build, and create on a scale we can barely imagine. The Dyson Sphere. The classic symbol of a Type 2 civilization is the Dyson Sphere, megastructure that completely surrounds a star and captures its energy. There are variations. Dyson Swarm, millions of orbiting solar collectors. Dyson Ring, a ring of energy-collecting satellites. Dyson Bubble, self-balancing solar panels orbiting the star. This is not fantasy. It's a theoretical concept astrophysicists take seriously. Some scientists even search for stars that look dimmer in certain wavelengths, hoping to find evidence of Dyson-like structures. Stellar engineering. At Type 2, a civilization could manipulate stars themselves. This may include harvesting material from the star, extending the star's lifespan, moving the star using gravitational technology, using stellar energy to power giant computers or interstellar engines. Imagine having the power to relocate your entire solar system if a cosmic threat approaches. Interplanetary civilizations. A Type 2 species would likely inhabit multiple planets, moons, asteroid habitats, orbital cities, artificial worlds, or megastructures. The solar system becomes a fully colonized domain. Technological mastery. At this level, technology might include faster-than-light communication, possibly faster than light travel, artificial planets, planet-scale computers, far-advanced AI systems, nanotechnology that can build and repair megastructures. This is a civilization that can no longer be wiped out by planetary disasters. It has become interplanetary and nearly indestructible. When could humanity reach Type 2? If we reach Type 1 approximately 200 years, Type 2 might take 1,000 to 2,000 years, assuming continuous technological advancement. This is the stage many sci-fi universes operate in, where humanity roams the stars. But the scale doesn't stop there. Type 3 civilization. A Type 3 civilization is the ultimate level on the Kardashev Scale, the ability to harness the energy output of an entire galaxy. This is beyond anything we currently understand. A civilization that has ascended to galactic status, galactic energy control. Type 3 societies can tap into billions of stars, supermassive black holes, galactic magnetic fields, interstellar gas clouds, dark matter interactions, exotic forms of energy we can't yet detect. This civilization would be able to reshape star systems, move stars, and maybe even sculpt the structure of the galaxy itself. A galactic empire. A Type 3 civilization would be spread across thousands of solar systems, millions of planets, artificial habitats the size of moons or planets, Dyson spheres around countless stars. They would likely travel through the galaxy using technologies far beyond our imagination, possibly wormholes, warp drives, or methods that bend spacetime. Post-biological evolution. Many scientists believe a Type 3 species might no longer be biological at all. It could be a civilization of uploaded digital consciousness, a hyper-intelligent AI collective, nanotechnological swarms, energy-based life, or something we would not even recognize as life. They might operate on timescales of millions of years, with goals spanning entire galactic epochs. Are there any Type 3 civilizations out there? We've scanned thousands of galaxies. So far, we haven't found clear signs of Type 3 civilizations. No galaxy-wide Dyson structures. No unnatural energy patterns. But a Type 3 civilization might be so efficient that nearly no energy escapes, making them invisible. How long would it take humanity? Reaching Type 3 would likely take 100,000 to 1 million years, assuming we survive long enough and keep expanding. This would represent not just technological growth, but the transformation of the human species into something new. The future of humanity. The Kardashev Scale isn't just a way to categorize civilizations. It's a roadmap for our future. Type I is about mastering our planet. Type 2 is about mastering our star. Type 3 is about mastering our galaxy. Right now, we are still in our infancy. A Type 0 species with enormous potential. Every technological breakthrough, fusion energy, AI, space travel, planetary cooperation, brings us one step closer to a future where humanity is no longer confined to Earth, but becomes a cosmic civilization. And the fascinating part? Somewhere out there, in the vastness of the universe, Type 2 or Type 3 civilizations might already exist. The question is, will humanity someday join them? If you enjoyed this cosmic journey and want to dive even deeper into the mysteries of advanced civilizations, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss our next exploration into the unknown.